our next station stop of Bingen White Salmon. Once again, that is Bingen White Salmon. If Bingen White Salmon is your destination, has an excellent time above your seat, below your seat, look around your seat, make sure you have everything that you brought on board, including any small children. You're heading to the lower level of the car on which you boarded. This stop is only for passengers that are leaving us at Bingen, so if you step off the train at Bingen, you are leaving us at Bingen. Once again, Bingen White Salmon coming up in just a few more minutes. Thank you.